Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to increase maximum file size. What is maximum file size? Maximum file size means as much maximum file size as is allowed on the Wordpress by hosting provider. According that we will upload any file and Wordpress will let us to upload maximum file size and which is provided by hosting provider. Let's show on the Wordpress. Let's go on the Wordpress, and now I'm on the Wordpress and go to the media and click on new media file, and now here you can see by default maximum file size is 2 MB. In your case maximum file size can be another, and this file size means I can't upload any file if which is more than 2 MB, and I can only upload any file and which is less than 2 MB or equal to 2 MB. Let's check. I'm gonna upload a file. Now you can see, and this file is less than 2 MB. So here you can see this file has uploaded because of this file size is less than 2 MB, okay, which is allowed. And let's upload more than 2 MB. Now you can see it is more than 2 MB, and here I'm gonna upload. Now you can see this file is not uploaded, and here you can see a message and exceeds the maximum upload size for this site. This means I can't upload any file more than 2 MB. And now we'll see how to upload how to increase maximum file size using a plugin. Okay, so let's go to the plugin, and here you can see install plugin, and now here you can see add new plugin, and now you can see here choose plugins and type here tuxedo, and that's name tuxedo. And now you can see I already installed that plugin and activated. Okay, and just you should active this plugin, you should install and active, and after that and go to the settings and hover on the settings, and you can see big file uploads in your case, and this plugin can be anywhere. You have to find out, and after that and click big file uploads, and now you can see by default 2 MB, and which is provided by the hosting provider. And now here you can see you can increase file size as much as you want, and which is provided by hosting provider. Okay, as much limitations as you have by hosting provider, you can do this. Okay, so I'm gonna increase 500 MB, and I'm gonna save, and now go to the again media and add a new media file, and now you can see and maximum file size is 500 MB. So before we saw that maximum file size was 2 MB, right? So this means now we can upload any file which is 5 MB or equal 5 MB, 500 MB, right? So now you can see I'm gonna upload, and now you can see this file we were to upload. We were not to upload this file right before, because this file and didn't upload because of this file size was more than 2 MB, and now this file size is less than 500 MB. Right now I'm gonna upload, and now you can see that this file is uploading. Okay, I hope you understand and how to increase file size using maximum file size using a plugin called tuxedo. I hope this video is helpful you, and if you feel that this video is helpful you, please subscribe and touch the bell icon. And more one thing, and in your case and using this tuxedo plugin, if you are unable to any file, so please contact your hosting provider. They can solve your problem. See you in the next video.